Hi, this is Matt Perry, Perry Window Cleaning in Springfield, Ohio. I recently posted a video review of the Radial weapon from uh, Perry Tate at Reach It, and I think it's a high quality brush, and I gave my opinion and everything, and I had others that asked about, hey, let us know how it works out since we hadn't even tried it yet. Well, my crew loves it. I've had two of them already that the first day said it was fantastic. So here's some pictures we took. There's some bird feeders in the way and some landscaping issues, but you get to see it in action. Enjoy. My daughter took a video from the outside view, and then I took a video from the inside view. There's a few soiled areas on the window that we kind of point out. Took care of everything great, and it dried crystal clear, no spotting. We're running a 100 psi pump with high flow hose, and it's run at a flow rate of 50. We realized that it could be run at a lower rate than what we've had to with previous brushes, and we turned it down to do a museum this same day that we tried this out on our first venture with it. We turned it down to a 40 flow rate. Did great, and rinsed the windows, and it's going to save some money with a 10% or 20%, whatever that percentage is, of less flow rate.
See how it kind of effortlessly drags to the side when I twist it?
Yeah.
The water.
And now my video from the inside of the same window cleaning. Enjoy. We carry our own water on board. This truck, a 50-gallon tank and one hose reel, and this van, a 250-gallon tank and two hose reels. And that's how we roll. Thank you so much for watching.